Hi, my name is Gerard from Pest. We're going to talk about pest control treatments. For a pest control treatment, we put a residual treatment around all the external foundations, internal skirtings, window frames, garden areas, fences and outbuildings. The treatment that we mainly use for this spraying around the external and internal of the house is called sizzling. It's a Bayer product, there's no odour, there's no stain. We've been utilising this in childcare centres and hospitals for the last 8 years. It's rain fast, it's UV light resistant. We use it inside and out. Most of the companies out there, they'll use sizzling inside because they know it's the best treatment there is, but it's a lot more expensive for them to use it outside. But with Pest, we use it inside and outside only because it's the best treatment that's on the market. Once we've sprayed the residual treatments where applicable, we go up into the roof and we dust the roof with a treatment called Cubex dust. It's a very fine talc dust and it gets blown in by a blowing machine. What happens, the whole roof void clouds up and the dust seeps down through the wall cavities and actually goes underneath the subfloor. So basically it envelopes the internal cavities of the house. Okay, when we're up in the roof doing the dusting, we have a quick look around for rat droppings. We give it the old smell test to see whether we can smell any rat urine. Rat urine is very pungent, it's full of a lot of ammonia.
Rats are incontinent, so they pee on the run and all their pheromones are in their urine. And when rats come up into a roof and start nesting, foraging rats up outside start coming across their pheromone tracks and make their way up into the roof looking for a mate. So whenever you bait a roof, you've got to bait it for 1 or 2 years because it takes about 2 years for the pheromones in the urine of the initial rats to die down and go away. But rats do cause fires and they're something that should be addressed.
Generally German cockroaches, they localise themselves close to the kitchen because that's where their food source is. They're different to the big cockroaches. The big cockroach is a vegetarian. They live outside. They'll live up in the roof and in the wall cavities, and at night time they go outside foraging for their food, mainly leaf matter and such like. Whereas the German cockroaches, they like the nice little warm posies in your kitchen and your dishwasher behind your refrigerator. What we do with the German cockroaches, we get a gel called Max Force Gold, again, which is another Bayer product that happens to be one of the best on the market. We put a little blob of gel on each hinge within the kitchen, around the back of the fridge, on top and down the sides of the dishwashing machine, and generally that will rectify your German cockroach problem. Now once that's done, we're all done. It's a very safe, environmentally friendly pest control treatment.